Hello friends, my name is Mani and today I'm here in Rüsselsheim, which is near Frankfurt. So this is the place where we are staying, and this is a question which has been asked by a lot of parents, especially when they wanted to send their daughter here. Is Germany safe? Is it really safe for the girls when they are here at night? So I always give an example. Yes, of course. I personally feel, I shouldn't say that, but still I feel more comfortable here in Germany as compared to India. I live in Delhi. So I feel comfortable here. At this moment it's somewhere around 11 and we just came at night. There's my luggage which is kept over there, and I just thought to make up a video because it's really safe. There's no problem. You can see there is no one here, but the lights, everything is there. In the on the entire road it was me and my husband who were coming here and on the road all alone, and it is damn comfortable. There's no problem as such. So don't worry, it is always safe. When you come alone during the night time, you just have to keep in mind three things. The first, when you come, please try to avoid the long telephonic conversations. That's a very important part, because here the people generally do not take up a call when they're on a road or on a public this thing. So for the safety purpose I do this, right? So I would recommend to others as well. The second is, always check the connectivity of your buses, because the frequency of the buses is not so frequent, especially on the weekends. So that is also very important when you come all alone. The third, very important, is the weather here. It starts raining in summer anytime, or it starts snowing or windy anytime. So this is also you have to keep in mind when you're all alone, so that you have your gloves and packed. And believe me, it's completely safe. There is no problem. And when I came as a student here long back in 2013, in 2012, so I never faced any problem as such, but there are certain areas which are being avoided in every city, especially the areas where there are a lot of clubs. So avoid those areas at night where there is a lot of clubs on those lanes. Just avoid those areas. It's there in every city. The rest is fine. It's completely safe. The place where I'm staying, it's a residential area, so if you're there in the residential areas, there's no problem. Just avoid the places which are near to the clubs. That's it. That's the most important part which you have to keep in mind. The rest, enjoy. And if you have any question related to Germany, related to masters, bachelors, you can go through the description where a lot of playlists are there for masters, bachelors, house building, doctors, and we would be very happy to help you out. Thank you.
Overseas education. My name is Mani, and today in this video we're gonna see few of the items which you can find in LD easily, and these items are very beneficial for the students or for the people who are in Germany and they're
Hello friends, welcome with Rcare Overseas Education. My name is Mani, and today this is a very important topic which we would be catering in this video, that Germany is the best destination for a middle class. So I would be giving 5 reasons which are important, and I personally